Hello everyone, it's March the 29th and we finally get back up here. It's been about a week and what a gorgeous day. And about low 40s but very windy, and we're standing near our next area to get all these beech trees out of here, these baby beeches. But Jeff marked out our garden down there, and it looks like we can do 12 by 12. And we're going to be up and down this hill a lot, but we did some clearing here. And hi Jeff.
Hi.
And you can look up here. Those are just berries now.
And that pile up there is what wasn't the berries.
It's quite slippery. Here, let me walk in front, Jeffy Jeff. It's quite slippery and funny. And sometimes you step and you go down to your knee, and sometimes you walk on top, and you can't tell. Look at all these berries. So we're going to get a tarp and bring all these cuttings out into the woods and kind of spread them around.